Good morning, I'm Charlie Giacchetti with GBES, and I hope you're ready to learn LEED live. We're going to be doing a lot more Facebook Live, so make sure you're liking us and sending over to your friends to be following us. Today we're going to talk about some water efficiency terms that get mixed up, that get confusing on a LEED exam, especially your LEED Green Associate exam. So let's start with potable water. How do we define that? Potable water is that good drinking water, typically comes from wells or your city supply. And again, that's defined by the EPA. So we want to be very efficient with our potable water. Let's not use that for irrigation if we don't have to. Let's make sure our restroom fixtures are very efficient so we're protecting that good drinking water, the potable water. Non-potable, number two, well, that's not safe for drinking. On a LEED project and on your LEED exams, you need to know that rainwater, gray water, and black water are all non-potable, not safe to drink. But sometimes we can capture non-potable water and use that in and around our building and our site. All right, so let's talk about rainwater on your LEED exam and on your LEED projects. Rainwater is sometimes known as stormwater. So stormwater, rainwater, interchangeable there. Ideally, in that perfect LEED project, if allowed by your local authority, you know what, rainwater, we want to capture that in a cistern or capture that in a detention pond and maybe use it for irrigation or somewhere else on our project. Next, let's talk about gray water and black water. A lot of times these get confused. I don't want you to miss that on your LEED exam. Gray water is non-potable, not safe to drink. It comes out of your building. Gray water comes from tubs, showers, restroom sinks, and actually clothes washing machines. Black water, though, also non-potable, of course, not safe to drink. Black water has touched waste. That could be toilets, urinals. It could be kitchen sinks and dishwashers, that organic food waste. Don't confuse the two. Make sure you're practiced there on these definitions to be successful on the LEED Green Associate exam. Let's recap. Today on Facebook Live, we're talking about some water terms that get confused. Potable water is good, safe drinking water. We need to protect it. The EPA says that those typically come from well water or city supplies. Non-potable, not safe for drinking, but maybe we can capture that and use it in and around our LEED projects. Rainwater, also known as stormwater on our LEED projects, always check with your local authority to see if you're allowed to put that cistern out, but ideally we would capture rainwater, use it in and around our site so we don't need to use as much potable water. And finally, what are a couple other types of non-potable? We have gray and black water. Gray water, one more time. Gray water comes from tubs, showers, restroom sinks, and clothes washing machines. Black water, though, is touched waste. Toilets, urinals, kitchen sinks, and dishwashers. Now, different jurisdictions, different cities will define these in varying ways, but for the LEED exam, that's what you need to know. Again, like us on Facebook. We're going to be doing a lot more Facebook Live. We appreciate you following with us and hope you have an awesome day.